Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. This is earwax removal vlog number 118. In today's episode, we're going to take a look in a patient's ear that has completely impacted wax, quite a bit of hair, and this wax has been in there for a long time. How do I know it's been in there for a long time? First, it's impacted so deeply. Second, the coloration is very dark. The darker the wax is, the longer it's generally been. As we use the curette to start removing this wax, you can see the amount of hair that's kind of wrapped up and caked in with this earwax, very similar to the way birds' nests are created. I'm going to use the curette here, again, one with not a lot of angle to it, because this patient's ear canal is fairly narrow, and there's a great view of the hair as it pinned up against the camera as we pull this out of the patient's mouth. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm. And unfortunately, a lot of people who watch these videos just aren't subscribed yet. Give me a subscribe and a like. Really does help out. Thanks. All right, as we go back down the ear canal here, we're actually able to see the entire eardrum. You can see there's a little bit left on the floor of the ear canal and some hair down there. We're going to use the curette just to clean that up a little bit. But we do have a phenomenal view of the eardrum, meaning that the patient's hearing has been restored at least as good as it was prior to the earwax. There's a great view of the eardrum. Thanks for watching. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. This was earwax removal vlog number 118. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And remember, if you enjoy these videos, like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notifications.